Halor ka jingsha Pynshitom u Dilseng Sangma haki khendiat sngi balala haki riurunar kalapenlong ya nyautrap Achik National Movement Hanm haka khatsan tarik kalalengkon ban mi shekmat ban penramjur halor kate ka jingsha le dusmon jong u Dilseng habakran shakilat pathai Khubor u John Sangma no aiktin ke Hanm seng keme ulong ka seng ka Dawa na ka sorkar ban Pynshitom ban bishar hok karkum ka an ya baro ki badon kti ban shim ya ka jingim jong u Dilseng Sangma.
We are here on the behalf of New Tribe Achek National Movement Central Body. Friends, we all know what happened in last 9 of January this month, 2026. Mr. Dilseng Sangma, he lost his life because he went to Golgaon village just to investigate to see that illegal stone quarry is going on in that area. And after that, when they are coming back from their spot, that village, that some unknown person has waited in the roadside and they attack to that entire groups. Some of them, they have run and they saved their life. And few of them, they cannot run from that spots. Due to that accident, that Mr. Dilseng Sangma, he lost his life. Today we condemn this accident, and those who have involved in these crimes, we demand that state government must punish according to law and brought to them in the and give Dilseng Sangma the justice. So we on behalf of Hanm, New Tribe Achek National Movement Central Body, we strongly and unequivocally condemn the brutal killings of late Dilseng Sangma. A respected NGO leaders who was murdered by unknown person. This heinous and inhuman act has shocked our consciences and is a grave attack on the values of humanity, peace and social justice. Late Dilseng Sangma was a committed social worker who dedicated his life to the welfare of the peoples and upliftment of society. His untimely and violent death is an irreparable loss not only to his family and organization, but also to the entire community. We extend our heartfelt condolence to the bereaved family and express our solidarity with all those mourning this tragic loss. We urge the concerned authority to conduct a thorough and impactful investigation and ensure that the perpetrators are identified and brought to justice. At the earliest, such act of violence must not be tolerated under any circumstance. May the departed soul of Sri Dilseng Sangma rest his eternal peace, and may God give strength to family members to bear this irreparable loss. So with these few words, as an NGO, many times we have demanded for the inner line permit. And as you know, the press media, since 2019, we are fighting for the inner line permit implementation in the state of Meghalaya. And you know, my friends, that in the last 2025 also, we went to Delhi and we met the central leaders and we convinced them to implement the inner line permit and implement MRSS Act in the state of Meghalaya for the safety of the people or state of Meghalaya. So unless and until this kind of mechanism will not implement in the state, we will not able to track any illegal infiltration in the state of Meghalaya. As we know, the state of Meghalaya are sharing long boundaries with the country of Bangladesh. So therefore, this kind of mechanism we need immediately implementation in the state of Meghalaya, like inner line permit and MRSSA. So my dear friends, we urge through you, we urge the state government to implement as soon as possible the ILP system in the state of Meghalaya. And we not requested only the state government, but same time we requested to central leadership and the central government also to give that inner line permit, which is a long pending issue, especially in the state of Meghalaya. So in this time, I would like to request Mr. Lamprang Kharbani to share in few words in Khasi language on the issue of and details thing don't re tomba kum ni kayo kasing kum kini ke kam ki site continue ham de tang apo garwils ro ki don bon ki jaka badon ratharai ki concern ki authority ya kum kini ke kam te ushim o le ya ki badon kami ni nakliang useng te ngi don ki baro ki details ya kata te. And we don't want to comment on that right now.